Okay, good. I didn't miss this video. Oh, it's been a long time. I haven't seen you all for, it seems like forever. The weather is changing here in South Dakota. It is getting cold. So instead of me just standing here shaking to death, let me show you around real quick, and then we'll get right to the news. What's going to happen to this channel? Let me just show you around a little bit, and then we'll get right to it. And I've got to tell you, some of your comments have been, wow, they have been absolutely incredible. Some of your comments have touched my heart so deeply. You guys are awesome. You know, it's important to remember that it's just not about being vegan. Vegan is a word that should really just embrace living a healthy lifestyle, doing things that are going to make your life awesome. Being out in nature, exercising, doing whatever it takes to fulfill your life. It's not all about just being vegan. Sometimes it's just simply about being a part of life. Do what you can, embrace it now. Don't take a day for granted. Remember, get out there. Get out there today. Go for a walk in the park. Take a time, take a moment for yourself. Realize that you are life. Not just living life, but you are life. And go out there. Be a part of it. Let's take a look around real quick and let's keep on going. Whatever you do, don't forget, today is a gift. Embrace it, unwrap it, and see what surprises might actually be there for you. I'd like to introduce you to Jax. He's a new addition to our home. He is my wonderful new companion. He's an Australian Shepherd, and I'll talk more about him on one of our next videos. But anyway, say hi, Jax. You guys are great. Thank you. Thank you for giving me your time, and thank you for inviting me into your home. You all truly are wonderful. So I've been away for a while, and the reason why I've been away is because my mom passed away in 2016, and my dad has late-stage Alzheimer's, and I've been taking care of him 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for over the last 2 years. Thank you all for taking the time to comment in my comment section, for giving me your support, and for subscribing. I tell you what, you and me, let's take a journey. Let's take a journey to living a more healthier, vibrant, and incredible life. Let's take that step. Let's take that step together. I have some wonderful news. There's going to be a lot of changes on my channel. This channel is going to be about living. It's going to be about life. It's going to be about how to embrace your day, how to make the most of it. It's not going to be just recipes, because there is a lot more than cooking that goes along with a healthy lifestyle. I want you to embrace your day. I want you to make the most of your life, to have the things in life that fulfill you, that you want to manifest in your life. You have all been very wonderful in all your support and in all your comments. I'm going to still be doing recipes, but there might be a small twist in how I do some of them. The important thing is to help you in this lifestyle, to help you become the better you. I want you to become the best you that you can be. There is no reason why that you can't be alive, rather than sitting back and watching it pass you by. Being alive doesn't mean sitting on your couch watching TV, unless you're watching my videos, which is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to end this video here by telling you once again, thank you. I mean, thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything that you have done. Thank you for all of your comments, and please keep the comments coming. I love to read them. I like to see the differences of opinions. I enjoy your interaction. So do me a favor, go ahead and click that subscribe button wherever it's at, one of the two corners. And don't forget to hit that notification button to catch any and all new videos. That way you're notified when I release a new video. And don't forget to share. Spread this message that you can have a healthy life and live it to its fullest. And I hope to be able to take you on a journey that I know will help me, but in doing so, I hope it helps you. Together, we can help each other. And that's what it's all about. That's what life is all about. Reaching out and helping one another. You all are awesome. You are fantastic. And until my next video, later. I have sunglasses on my head, and it's a cloudy day outside. I don't know. And this shirt doesn't feel right either. Where we're headed next is I'm in South Dakota, so I have a little something in store for that. I'm going to be putting together a van build. The van build is going to be